Good day and welcome. I am your super excited Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, Kelly Smith. Hello. And today I'm here with you to do a brief tutorial on our Mary Kay Satin Hands Pampering Set. First of all, it's a three-step process. We have the three items here, which we'll be using. And just to mention, with frequent hand washing, you will notice that your hands, they tend to dry out, they lose moisture. Not only will this help with the cleansing process, but it will also help with moisture retention, getting that moisture back into your hands. You can do it maybe 3 times a week if you want to do it. Personally, I do it every day. Okay, so let us begin. First of all, as you can see, I do use this quite a bit. I'm going to stop with the glare. I apologize. This is the Mary Kay Protecting Softener. So what you can do, you can just use a small amount on your hands, just like a dime size, like I have here, if you can see. After we do that, what we're going to do is just, my hands are very dry. Part of mine is due to heredity, and just because I'm always in water, dishwater, cleaning, things like that. I just put it all on my hands. I make sure my total hand is covered, as well as my cuticles, my palms, especially in between my hands and in between and here. Really, this is a super dry area for me. Secondly, we're going to take the, sorry about the glare, everyone. The, if you can see, the, this is our Satin Smoothie Refining Shea Scrub. I love this. It smells great, and this formula is our tea tree and citrus. It smells very good. So you just pump it out. I'm generous with my amount, so this may be maybe too much for some, but for me it's just enough because I do have dry hands. I do the same with the shea scrub as I did with the protecting softener. Just put it all over my hands like this, and my cuticles, in between my fingers, things like that. Now, our next step is to just take some warm water and rinse. Okay? And I rinse it in the fashion like I am washing my hands. Okay? Sorry about that, guys. As you can see, sorry about my Facebook notifications coming up there. And it's coming off. I love it. Everything that you put on, and you can tell while you're still rinsing it off, you can feel the moisture, the softness in your hand. Okay, I have my towel here. And I just blot this as so to get all the water off. And if you feel your hands, they already feel soft. Okay, last but not least, we will be using our shea cream, our nourishing shea cream. And again, as you can tell, yes, I use my products because I have dry hands. Everything else is pretty much, man, I thought I had more. Everything else is pretty much soft. But my hands, I think I get that from my dad, rest his soul. And that is it. It's quick. It's easy. Takes you less than 5 minutes to do. Just work it in. And there you have it. There you have it. See? I need a petty, y'all. Don't judge me, please. My hands, ugh. I hope everyone is still continuing to be safe during this time with the COVID-19 and coronavirus. Stay at home if you can, if you absolutely have to, and you have to go out to do food shopping, to get supplies. You know, after you do that, maybe grab a quick bite from a drive-through or takeout. just be safe. Remember to always wash your hands. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you again for tuning in, for checking this video out. Remember to like and subscribe. Also, this will be on my Instagram page as well. So you can check that out. But here it is. If you would like to try this product, have a sample, maybe even purchase, go to my page. I will leave everything on the bottom of this video. And you will have a great day. This is it. This is what it will come in, with this inside as well. So I want to show you that. It will come in this bag. This will be in it. And that is your set. Thank you so much. Have a great day.